You're rushing out the door and realizing you still need to finish that project report by tomorrow. You frantically scroll through your notes, but everything looks jumbled and unclear. It's like trying to decipher a code without any help. That's when you remember having an old laptop that's been collecting dust in the corner of your room. It's slow, outdated, and just plain frustrating. But what if I told you there's a better way? Introducing the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI, the ultimate personal AI supercomputer for developers, researchers, and data scientists who want to unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence on their very desktop. This marvel ignites petaFLOP scale AI performance, unleashing groundbreaking breakthroughs with unparalleled speed and reliability. Let's talk about what makes this thing truly special. First off, its NVIDIA GB10 Superchip delivers an astonishing 1 petaFLOP of AI performance, paired with 128 GB of memory for fine-tuning models like the 200B. That means you can tackle even the most complex projects without running out of resources or slowing down your workflow. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about compatibility? Well, this isn't just a one-trick pony. The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is developer-optimized, supporting frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw for private on-device inference, sandboxed execution, and governed data access. This means you can focus on building secure, long-running agentic workflows without worrying about compatibility issues. But what really sets this apart is its advanced thermal design, engineered to keep the system running at peak performance even in ultra-small form factors. That's right, with an engineered cooling solution, you can enjoy sustained high performance and reliability without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about scalability. Featuring NVIDIA NVLink C2C for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication and NVIDIA ConnectX 7 networking to support dual GX10 system stacking. This thing unlocks superior scalability and performance that no other personal AI supercomputer can match. Once you picture using the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI tomorrow morning, having access to its full-stack AI solution, unleashing petaFLOP scale AI on your very desktop, doesn't it change everything? No more waiting for cloud services to catch up. No more mediocre performance that holds you back. This is what petaFLOP scale AI looks like in the palm of your hand. So how much would this magic happen if you had it? Honestly, considering its specs and features, the price point is absolutely unbeatable. You can find yourself a similar setup for thousands of dollars elsewhere. Think professional-grade GPUs, powerful workstations, and top-tier cooling systems all crammed into one sleek package that still manages to stay compact enough for your home office or workspace. That's what makes this thing so amazing. It doesn't try to be something it's not. It's a tool designed by experts for people who need the best without breaking the bank. And if you don't have it, well, let's just say you're quietly overpaying elsewhere for mediocre performance that barely keeps up. So what do you say? Are you ready to unlock the full potential of AI on your desktop? Are you ready to take your projects to the next level without sacrificing speed or reliability? If so, check out the link below for the best price on this incredible machine.